I have to finish this song.
I didn't realize what I started when we met. Thought I could commit, thought I could finish, but then I watched it all slowly fall apart. From a small tune, now I know what to do. I gotta sing that sweet melody, 'cause you know that I'm the one who sets you free. You know it was the beat, you let it take control. It took over your soul, so sing it till you can't sing it anymore. The beat, you let it take control. It took over your soul, so sing it till you can't sing it anymore. I think it went something like la 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 la. The melody it went like la 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 la.
I'm gonna snap out of it.
I
think it's working.
No, I won't give up until I free you. I keep on going till I hit that finish line. Gotta get that closure. It's my time to shine. I gotta sing that sweet melody, 'cause you know that I'm the one who sets you free.
Come on, Nova. The mountain music may be climbed with catchy tunes, but to succeed, you need a summit.
It means she's got to get all the way to the climax of the song.
You let it take control.
Uh-oh, she's distracted.
No, don't stop, Nova. Finish the song. We're all still
The
earwormed.
planet is still earwormed.
Claren's still earwormed.
Oh, yeah. Very funny.
It went something like la 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 la. The melody it went like la 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 la. The melody it went like la 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 la. The melody it went like.
Whoa! Butterflies? Pretty epic thank you song, Nova. Next time, card and cake. Thanks, Sid! My destiny is complete! Not bad, kid.
Did you see that? My very own oddball animal. Earworm. And you said they didn't exist.
Except, if they turned into butterflies, then they must have been ear caterpillars.
No, but they were...
No such thing as earworm, Sid. Told you. It's just an expression. Ah, there we are now. All fixed and set to cozy. No, you can't have another 5 minutes hibernation. Everyone's earworm free. It's back to work. Let's go. We'll talk to the union then.
Now, you will watch this movie all the way through, won't you? You promised me?
Yes, that's what I do now. Always finish everything I start. Wait, isn't that thingy from the What's It show? Look at those shoes. Who paired them with that bag? And honestly, that close-up is doing him no favours. You can see right up all three of his nose holes. McLaren, I really want to feature in it.